Amid a huge uproar over a bill that directed private firms in Karnataka to reserve jobs for Kannadigas, the state government is now planning to raise the IT staff's working hours to 14 per day. Now, the Karnataka State IT Employees Union, or KITU, it said on Saturday that according to KITU, the proposal to amend the Karnataka Shop and Commercial Establishment Act to facilitate a 14-hour working day was presented in a meeting called by the Labour Department with various stakeholders in the industry. If implemented, the extended work hours will have the biggest impact on Bengaluru, the state capital known as the IT hub of the country. And my colleague Pratibha joins us to get us more on this. Pratibha, the government's planning to raise the IT staff's working hours to 14 per day now. And many are complaining of toxic work culture. What is the government saying?
Well, as of now, no word from the government. But yes, this is a proposal that has been given to them, and this should be discussed in the next cabinet meeting, is what we hear. The proposed new bill, Karnataka Shops and Commercial Establishments Amendment Bill 2024, attempts to normalize a 14-hour workday, which definitely hasn't really gone down well with the ITES Employees Union here, who have suggested that this shouldn't be implemented, and that this amendment will allow the companies to go for a two-shift system instead of the current existing three-shift system. During the meeting, which was also attended by Karnataka Labour Minister, like you pointed out, Mr. Santosh Lad, and officials from different other departments, all of them are looking at the impact that this would have on the health of different employees working in this sector. So that needs to also be considered, is what the union has suggested. Now, remember, this comes especially during the huge uproar over a bill that directed private firms in Karnataka to reserve jobs for Kannadigas. And the state government, all eyes are on them as to the manner in which they would plan this and discuss this going ahead with respect to the next cabinet meeting.